morning. Good morning from Lake Morena Campground. We are getting ready to head towards Mount Laguna. We have about a 12-mile day today to where we're going to camp. Looks like there's plenty of water. It was a chilly night, probably right around 40, 39 degrees. Frost on the tents this morning, but it looks like a beautiful day. And yeah, we're going to have a good day.
Yep, we're excited.
Let's get it.
All right, so this is coming out of Lake Morena. The sun is already shining. Blue skies.
We're getting closer. This is such a nice little piece of trail. Just nice wide tread. The bushes along the sides.
It has been such a nice, smooth trail this morning. Sandy in the shade. It's been so pleasant. We're gradually starting. Do what?
Still see Lake Morena.
Yeah.
Right.
Still see Lake Morena. It's just been awesome. Beautiful. We do have a climb later on today. And it'll probably be in the heat of the day, but right now it feels pretty good. See, there's Lake Morena over there.
That's what you call a beautiful trail. And we're up here on top. It's windy, but oh so pretty. We have come 3 miles so far. It is just beautiful. This has been the most pleasant morning. Nice walking. Honestly, pretty easy walking. I'm sure we'll pay for that later, but oh, it's wonderful. I feel so blessed to be out here.
All right, so there's the road. So we're coming down to a road, and I think there's a creek down here. I can't remember the name of it right now, but that's where we're going to get our water. We're going to take a break down here. Take our socks and shoes off, I think. That's where we're headed.
You go stand by that tree.
Yes, you can stand.
See how big it is.
Stand by that
Stand
tree.
over here.
That is crazy. And we're headed to Cottonwood Creek is where we're headed. Wow. All right, so have you decided you're just gonna walk across? I think I'm gonna put my sandals, I think I am gonna put my Tevas on, to be honest.
Yeah, this doesn't look bad for walking.
No.
Yeah, I think that's a good plan.
So Super Bloom is gonna go on the log. I don't think I am. Diddy diddy dum diddy. Oh, don't be doing. Oh, look at you.
There you go.
Here she goes. Everyone else did it but me. Woohoo! You did it! It's all right. So what are you having there, Lucy, to eat?
So this is spaghetti from last night from the Trail Magic. They give me a whole Ziploc bag. So I'm going to eat some for lunch, some for late lunch. This is brunch, then lunch, then dinner, and then I'll figure out for dinner after that. So what you do is you just open it and you stick your face in it.
That's great. I mean, there you go. It's a hiker spaghetti on the go.
It's delicious.
Whew, bird just flew over. Thank you guys for all the work you do.
Yeah, no problem. Happy to do it.
Well, that was kind of nice. We just met a couple guys who work on U.S. Forest Service fire crew, doing like fire prevention, prescribed burn layouts, and watching the trail. A couple really nice guys.
All right, so do we think we can cross this right here?
Yes. Here, I'll go first. Wait a minute.
All right, you go first and show us how it's done.
And one at a time, this is how I fell because these logs were kind of floating. I think the hiker behind me entered the log when I wasn't ready for it, and she knocked me off balance. So hang on, I'm going to extend my poles. No, I don't think I need to. Hang on. Okay.
All right, good job.
Where's my pole?
Oh no.
Look what happened.
Hold on, we'll find it. Do you see it, Susie?
She found it.
Oh, she found it. Okay. Woohoo! All right, now I guess it's my turn.
Now that one will go all the way down in the water. Yeah. There's this fish. There's two of them coming at us. Two more behind them. Wow.
So we have made it to Boulder Oaks campground. Getting some water. There might be trail magic here. Not so sure, but
And real toilets.
and real toilets. There is bathrooms, so that's always a luxury. So Adam just got here because he went to the store. Like there's an outfitter. Super Bloom's sleeping bag has lost all the down filling in a whole section, so she's been freezing. So she ordered one from an outfitter in Julian, and Adam went to go pick it up, and he's dropping it off to her, so he's meeting us here at Boulder Oaks. It's pretty awesome. It's like perfect timing because we literally just got here and so did he. Crazy. All right, so Super Bloom just got her new sleeping quilt.
Don't think you need to
Got a drawstring foot box,
Drawstring foot.
drawstring neck.
Yep.
Adam is passing out cold water to people. He's doing his trail angel. Okay, so he went back and got a snack box. He's gonna pass out Oreos and chocolate chip cookies. Here comes Lucy! Woohoo! Yay! She made it!
Always the last one in camp.
That's okay. We got some good news for you.
What's that?
How would you feel about dropping your pack and hiking 4 miles without all the stuff
Slack
in it.
packing?
Slack packing.
Absolutely wonderful. I would love that.
All right, so we are like just all walking on cloud 9, walking on air, because Adam is literally, we're slack packing. I pretty much gutted the entire contents of my pack, left them in the truck camper, and he's going to meet us in 4 miles. So yeah, it's the best day ever. We're excited. I mean, I really do feel like I'm walking on air. It's crazy.
And you got half your load. I'm curious.
No, I don't. Like, Susie's just got her little day pack.
I don't even know if I have 5 pounds on my back.
Yeah, this is awesome.
Now we're headed down to go underneath of I-8, Interstate 8, near Cottonwood Creek. Is that right? Anyway, underneath of I-8. So down there is Interstate 8. We walked under that just a little bit ago. Can't believe we've come that far already. And up there you can see parts of the trail, I think. Could be a road. But then over here for sure is the trail, and if you look real careful, you probably can't see it, but we can see people actually walking up through there. Kind of exciting.
So we are just walking along this edge. It is exposed and it is hot, but there's a nice breeze blowing, so it's not too bad. I think the temperature is only around 70, so it's doable. Yeah, I wouldn't say this is brutal, and the hill climb isn't bad. The grade is pretty good. It's just a gradual uphill. There's a few steep sections, but we're getting it.
They just went down the hill to there in absolutely no time.
So we have made it to Kitchen Creek Road. We're just going to walk down the road to Cibit's campground, which is where we're staying, and Adam is going to be staying there too. So, and I think he's made us dinner. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. We made it.
Oh my goodness.
So your ground cloth's not under it. I didn't know where your steaks were, so I used half of her steak. Lucy's steak.
So this is Cibit's.
But the ground cloth is in the tree.
Adam's made us chili, and we've made it to Cibit
Flats.
Cibit Flats.
Cibit Flats.
He's
But there's
got-
nothing flat about it. It's on a hillside.
Oh, yeah, that was 12 miles for today. I mean, it was nice. It wasn't that bad, and we're glad that we slack packed. That was nice. But finally here. Hallelujah. Adam has made us chili. We're getting trail magic. It's pretty awesome. Here they come.
He'll peek back out in a second. There he is.
There he is.
He's literally prairie dogging.
Right, that's what she's looking at. His little head popping in and out.
All right, so we're going to wrap up this video here. We're getting our bellies full with some good chili that Adam has made for us. We did 12 miles today, and we did it. It wasn't hard, but we survived. And just what we're grateful for, well, I'm grateful for Adam. Just taking our packs and doing everything that he's done. So.
I'm grateful for Adam. today was, I was so looking forward to, hopefully you guys, I was hoping you'd see your first trail magic today. And when we got to Boulder Oaks, I was like, no trail magic. But then the day just got better because slack packing and
It was very unexpected, wasn't it?
yeah, so really light packs and
snacks
there was
and water.
warm, yeah, cold water, ice cold water, and warm chili when we got to camp. So I'm very thankful for Adam and his support for us today.
All right. What are you thankful for?
I'm thankful today for nice trail and light breezes, gentle breezes when the sun was hot on us. It was a beautiful day, and I'm just thankful to be here.
Okay, Lucy.
Hi, I'm very thankful today that I found a connection to some of my family that's gone, and for Adam for all he did for us today.
Good. All right, so here is our tent setup.
All right, so we will see you tomorrow. Good night.